Hello lovely people of the world, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, thank you so much. I am Shauna, but you can call me Shaunz. Get familiar with me, get familiar with my videos, because on this channel I do a lot of makeup looks, makeup tutorials, fashion lookbooks, hauls, you name it. And today I'll be doing something quite different, which I think will be fun. So yes, you read the title correctly. Today I'll be doing the Jamaican versus Antigua slang sort of challenge. Now let me give you a little backstory. So I am Jamaican by birth. I was born and bred in Jamaica. I moved to Antigua. Sorry guys, my eyes are tearing up. I moved to Antigua when I was 19 years old, and I've lived there for 17 plus going on to 18 years. So you know what my age is. Never mind that. So I've been living there for almost 18 years. So I sort of call myself Antiguan as well, but I was born in Jamaica. Now I decided to do this tag because it's not a tag, it's sort of like a challenge, because people have asked me a lot of times, so what's the difference between Jamaican dialect and Antiguan dialect? So today I'll be sort of doing both, and then I'm going to give you the English translation. So I hope you find this fun. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, you ready? You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Let me see all the Jamaicans in the house. Whoop, whoop. All the Antiguans, let me hear you. Yeah. All my Caribbean people, wherever you're from, let me know. First one is, you guys, I'm going to say it in English, then Jamaican, and then Antiguan. Okay, so the English would say, it tastes good. Jamaicans would say, this tastes good, man. Antiguan, this is about good jack. Number 2, English, I don't like it. Jamaican, me no like it. Me no like that at all. Antiguan, me no love 'em. Me no love 'em tall. With Jamaican patois, it's very expressive, and we talk a lot with our eyes and our hands. We are very, very expressive people, and you will see that if you meet a Jamaican. 3, English, I don't want to see her. Jamaican, me no want to see her. Antiguan, me no want to see. Let's do that again. Antiguan, me no want to sushi. Me no want to sushi. Me no want to see she. Let's try that again. English, I don't want to see her. Jamaican, me no want to see her. Antiguan, me no want to see she. Oh, why at all? Next one. English, it's mine. Jamaican, a fimi. A fimi. Antiguan, a fumi. Next one. English, I'm doing well. Jamaican, me alright. Me good. Antiguan, Mia. Why are you acting like that? Said an English person. Jamaican, what make you go on so? Very Jamaican. Very Jamaican. Antiguan would say, I make you go on so. Kuya. No, they don't say kuya, but they say make you go on so. English, go away. Jamaican, gwe. Antiguan, go away. English, what's going on? Jamaican, wagwan. Antiguan, awagwan. What you will say? So the Antiguan and the Jamaican, they're quite similar in parts. English, what are you doing here? Jamaican, where are you? Antiguan, and why you adopt this so? I can't really get the Antiguan dialect good, but you get the gist of it. And the last one, English would say the children or the kids. Jamaican, the picnic them. Antiguan, the pickinigger and them. Yeah. So guys, that was it. I do hope you enjoyed the Jamaican versus Antiguan slang. If you want to see a part 2, go ahead and comment down below and thumbs up the video. Let me know where you're from, friend. Let me know where you come from so I can big you up. Yeah. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I do hope you found this fun. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, comment down below and let me know. Yes, I just rhymed. And of course, subscribe before you go and turn the notifications on so you never miss another video from yours truly. So yes, that is it for today, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this different sort of thing on my channel. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, of course. And if there's anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Mwah.